Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off end-to-end encryption in Messenger. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's get into the video. Once you're in your Messenger profile, head over to the settings. Once you're there, scroll down and you'll see an option, privacy and safety. Here you can see end-to-end encrypted chats option under security. You just have to enter into it and just turn off the security settings, and the end-to-end encryption in Messenger will be off. It was pretty easy and quick. So if this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you with more tech tips and tricks. Till then, bye.